Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change voice in Free Fire while playing. So in order to change voice in Free Fire while playing, now there's no such direct way of doing it or there's no such feature on the Free Fire itself. However, if you wish to change your voice in Free Fire while you're playing, then you have to use the third-party application. So if you exit out of your Free Fire and then go to your Play Store, you can get a lot of applications that can help you get a voice changer while playing on Free Fire. So you can just go and type in voice changer for game. You can just type in that. Now for some of these applications, you have to actually pay or get a premium account. Only then you'll be able to use it. However, if you don't want to use a premium account, then you need to exit out of your Play Store as well, and then you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar type in DU recorder, and then you can find this application right on the page, which is this one. So you need to install this application and then run it, and accordingly you have to go and make changes with your Free Fire, and then you'll be able to voice change in Free Fire while you're playing. So in this way you can change your voice in Free Fire while playing. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.